Hello everyone. Welcome to AI Tantra, where you can learn AI from scratch. Trust me, I am not here to give you boredom lectures. In this video, I am going to cover what is AI in detail. It will be very interesting, so don't miss a second and don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for complete AI content. We call ourselves Homo sapiens, which means wise humans. But have you ever wondered what makes us wise? Give it a thought. It's our ability to think, learn, and adapt. AI is humanity's attempt to replicate that wisdom in machines. But let's be honest, the machines are already ahead of us and they are already smarter. I mean, they don't forget their passwords every 2 weeks. For better understanding, look at this example. It's a reference from the Hollywood-based movie Chandramukhi. You can see the photo frame in the background. It's Chandramukhi out there and the person trying to impersonate her is Ganga. Think of Chandramukhi as human and Ganga will be the AI trying to replicate the human. Let's play a quick game, AI or not. A calculator, Google Translate, your smart fridge. A calculator is not an AI. It just follows fixed rules to solve math. So no thinking involved. Google Translate is definitely an AI. It uses smart algorithms to understand and convert languages. And your smart fridge is a kind of AI. It might learn your habits to suggest groceries, but it's not super advanced. AI is like a chameleon. It can mean different things depending on who you ask. I mean that AI can be in different color for different things. For example, if you are a student, it can help you find answers for the questions you ask a day before your exam. For business, it can help in automation. And for techies, it can help boost the development. Like this, it can be in different color for different things. The definitions of AI are divided into 4 categories. They are acting humanly, thinking rationally, and acting rationally. And there are different scientists like Haaland, Bellman, McDermott, Winston, Kurzweil, Richard Knight, Nielsen gave different definitions. I don't want to give the definitions directly, but I will explain why they mean them. The first one is acting humanly. This is about making machines that act like humans. Imagine playing a game where you can't tell if the person messaging you is a bot or a human. That's the Turing test in action. The examples for this are Alexa, Siri, and many more chatbots in several applications that were designed to act like a human. The second one is thinking humanly. This is about modeling how humans think. Ever tried catching your thoughts in action? That's what early AI researchers aimed to do. Researchers tried to map our brain process onto machines, and the field later evolved as separate from AI, and it's cognitive science. The example for this is a mind reading AI. AI watches your Netflix history and recommends exactly what you want next, as if it knows what's on your mind. The next one is thinking rationally. This is completely opposite to our relatives who always think irrationally. Aristotle was one of the first to codify right thinking. His syllogisms provided patterns for argument structures that always yielded correct conclusions. For example, Socrates is a man. All men are mortal. Therefore, Socrates is mortal. These laws of thought were logic supposed to govern the operation of the mind. Their study initiated the field called logic. Here, the focus is on logic. That means thinking rationally is all related to the logic. It's like solving a problem step by step as Sherlock Holmes would. And the example for this is medical diagnostics. An AI-powered app reviews symptoms step by step and suggests possible conditions. Basically, it's Sherlock Holmes in a lab coat. And the last one is acting rationally. Think of this as a goal-driven approach. This is like your GPS. like a self-driving car getting you safely to your destination. It doesn't think like a human, but always gets you to the best route, most of the time. Which one do you think is the most exciting? Let me know in the comments. Here is a small quiz for you. Which of these inventions do you think came first? A. Solving math problems, A. Playing chess, A. Diagnosing diseases. Drop your guesses below. AI research actually started after World War II. Scientists wanted to understand intelligence and build machines that could learn, reason, and adapt. Basically, machines that could think. AI is everywhere, from Netflix recommending your next favorite show to self driving cars navigating streets. AI is used in fields like healthcare for diagnosing diseases, finance for detecting fraud, and in entertainment for creating AI generated art and music, etc. Let's see which came first. AI solving math problems. It was the OG of AI task. This was one of the first things AI was taught to do in the 1950s. AI playing chess came next with programs like Deep Thought mastering chess strategies by 1980s. AI diagnosing diseases. A game changer, but it came later in the 1970s with systems like Mycin. AI started small and kept leveling up just like a video game. And that's a wrap on what is AI. From acting humanly to thinking rationally, AI is shaping the world around us. But this is just the beginning. Subscribe to AI Tantra and join me next time as we dive into Turing test. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.